Hello everybody, it's LC back again. I got a hobby break of the brand new 2015 Gridiron Kings. Basically get one autograph and one mem card per box. There's 12 packs and 8 cards per pack. So let me crack open all the packs and let's go through the cards. Thanks for watching. Alright, all done opening the packs. Basically, this is just like Diamond Kings in baseball with the frame cards. There's a 100 base card set, and then there's a 100 framed base card set. So 200 cards. I think there's 60 rookies. So these are very nice looking, like painted cards. So pretty cool looking. So let's go through. Pearson, Moss, Andy Dalton, Sean Jackson, Shanky. The frame cards are backwards. Now the brown are the base ones. That's a base framed rookie of Gordon. And Rod Woodson base. And then the red parallels are the most common. Rob Gronkowski. Gronk. Brady. Warren Moon blue. The blue are the second most common, the red and then the blue. And I got a hit number 25, Coleman autograph. That's pretty nice. It is sticker autograph. It's a little off-centered, the sticker autograph. Numbered 8 of 25. Very happy with that. Studio signatures, blue. So I got the autograph all the way out of the way. So all I have left is the jersey card. So I got a base card. Get a red parallel, Foster. A Williams base rookie. Can insert the Royal Performances, James Harrison. Antonio Brown red. Justin Hardy red rookie. Special on this, Antonio Brown. That's a good looking card. I'm not sure if these have parallels. It'd be pretty neat if they did. Steve Young, red. Nate Orchard, base rookie. Gronk again, new aesthetic. I really like the looks of these cards. Maybe a little thicker stock would be kind of nice, but really good looking cards. There's another blue Sue. Davante Adams, numbered to 249. Jersey card, Masters of the Game. Pretty small jersey swat there. Number 249. So I got the hits out of the way. Anthony Blue. Let's see if I can get a low parallel or something like that. Red. Bryce Petty base rookie. Marshall Falk. Red of Marshall. Preston Smith red. Gale Sailors. Lee red. Abdullah base rookie. Aficionado Richard Sherman. Tom Brady red. Shane Ray. Shady, these are nicknames. Insert set. All nicknames of a bunch of players. Marcus Ware red. Crowder base. Joe Theismann base. Keith Bell red. And I'll click on the last pack here. Duke Johnson red. Earl Campbell red. and a Jordan Matthew red. So you get a lot of the red parallels. I got 3 of the blue. Didn't get any green. The greens are the hardest one to get. Only complaint about this, there's like no numbered cards, base cards. Only numbered cards are the 1-in-1 black parallel. But I really like the inserts. Very cool looking cards. And my 2 hits, Coleman and the Adams. So I really like the product. I would probably buy a lot more of it. Maybe if it was $55. I don't know if it'll come down that price. But I'm a big buyer of $50. I really like the look of the card. Sticker autographs aren't the greatest, but it's a pretty cheap product. So that's it. Thanks for watching.